Dill leaves idli recipe. Take a large bunch of dill leaf, wash it thoroughly and chop it. Put it in a mixer. Grind it adding some water. Take this paste in a vessel. Take one whole jaggery, grate it. Take 4 fists of freshly grated coconut. Add the grated jaggery. Grind it well. Add the fine paste of jaggery and coconut to the dill leaves paste. Mix it well. Take 2 cups of kesari rava or bansi rava. It is also called as thick wheat rava. Add this to the dill leaves paste. Mix well. Add 1 spoon of salt. Add required amount of water. Keep the rava in the mixture soaked at least for 20 minutes. Add some water in the idli stream on the flame for 10 minutes. You can add half a cup of water in the batter. The batter should be of this consistency. Remember, it shouldn't be too watery. Put the batter in the idli molds. You can make 16 idlis out of this batter. Remember to fill just half of it. Now place them in the idli steamer. Close the lid and cook the idlis on high flame for half an hour. Tasty and healthy dill leaves idli is ready to eat. To make them taste even more great, have them with a dollop of ghee and enjoy.